Okay, and then we want to kind of press it into this so that it gives it that pretty crimped edge.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone, from our family to yours. We were going to go to Brianna's house, but Bri and I have kind of a head cold, and Brighton is sick, and Grace has been sick, and we didn't want to get her family sick, so we decided to stay home. Yeah.
If I drink bubble water, I will be sick.
Okay.
So we threw this together, and it's a pretty amazing meal, and we all did it together, and we're pretty pleased.
We don't have a turkey, but we have roast beef.
We do have roast beef.
So happy Thanksgiving, y'all.
Who's hungry?
Me! Don't forget me.
Salud.
Everyone cheers! Bubba, you're missing out. See, sometimes we really do eat on regular plates.